I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean.
Hey Glam fam, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is LaRosaa with 2 A's, and I'm so happy you clicked on this video, y'all, because I'm super pumped because your girl got her first YouTube video request. Hey, I got one person, but that's okay. We growing, okay? I was requested to do an eyebrow tutorial and just say what products I use. So I am going to do that today. I am going to show you guys how to do your eyebrows when it's not done. My eyebrows are not done, but that's okay. Sometimes we don't have our eyebrows done, which is so realistic. So if you want to see how I get my eyebrows from this to this, then please keep watching. So first thing I'm going to show you what I always use, and that is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. It's super dry, sorry guys, but sometimes I'll leave it out. I have, made a purchase from Walmart for like the same type of thing. It was good to me. It's not that big. I'm just out of everything, and this is what I'm using right now, but this is my go-to. This is the slanted brush, and then I have, so I have 2 different brushes. You want to comb your eyebrows up. It makes you see your arch, and it kind of is like, okay, I want to make sure I avoid this because that is extra hair. We don't want that. So as you can see, my eyebrows have super grown out because it's so ridiculous. That is totally okay. Take my skinny brush, go in here. I just find where I want to start tracing. So I'll start in the middle, and I kind of just follow my natural arch, and I definitely want to bring that down. So don't worry if it's like not the sharpest line, because when you clean your eyebrows, which is so big, guys, you're gonna make that line a little sharper. Go on the top, and I just connect that. I'm just following the rest of the line. So when I get to the beginning, I get this line to drag it out, right? And this brush comes in handy because you can like flick up. So you see how this hair is like super grown in. So I can either decide to say, hey, I want to make my eyebrows thicker to go with that, or I want to conceal the crap out of it, try to get rid of it. So, but once I get to the beginning, I flick up to try to imitate hairs. I'm just gonna darken this up. So now to clean my eyebrows, I'm going to take like a flat brush like this, and then you just use some concealer. You can also use foundation, but if you want that highlight look, definitely use concealer. I'm gonna go especially right where that extra hair is, and this is how you want to shape your brow. This is like your go-to of like saying, this is how I want my brow to look. This is how I want it to be shaped. So I'm gonna go kind of heavy on this concealer because I have a lot of hair, and then I just follow the line. So you see how I might have flicked a little too high when I was doing the imitation of hair? You can fix that. Just place it right there and drag. And I'm on like, so you see how once I put it really close, I made that sharp line. So now you're just gonna blend out that concealer you put. It's gonna do the same thing to my eyebrow. So you see how it's like not connected? I need to make it all connect. So that pretty much means I'm gonna take some of this hair that's obviously too freaking much and connect that concealer. See that? See, my square is like super, like, compared to this one, it's like, what the freak? So as you can see, my eyebrows, they don't match each other. So I can either make this a little smaller or make this a little thicker. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just go over some of that eyebrow and then put that concealer on it to try to make it a little smaller. Now I want it to be a little more faded in. So I'm just gonna brush this, see if I can get some product off in the beginning. Basically, I just want it to be super, super like effortless. So this is the finished look of my eyebrows. I really hope you guys like it. It is very natural, but you know, one thing I've noticed is that when I don't have my eyebrows on, when I don't have my eyebrows done, I don't like to do a lot of manipulation. I love to keep it natural. I love to just follow its natural arch. Guys, you know, I just have a love-hate relationship with my eyebrows sometimes. Sometimes I feel like they come out amazing. Other times I'm like, this one is great, this other one is lacking, but that is okay. Trust me, guys, remember, this YouTuber told me this, and I don't remember who, but it was like 2-3 years ago. But she said, eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Because if you try to do them as twins, you're gonna be there all day, you're gonna mess it up. It's just gonna be like, guys, I'm just not. Trust me, you don't want that problem. You most likely, you know, don't have the identical eyebrows, but that is totally fine. But yeah, this is the finished eyebrow look. I was like, I'm feeling you, and I don't ever feel this eyebrow. You guys bring the best out of me.
I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the